Hey everyone, big exciting day in the wood shop today. I got a bandsaw, the Grizzly G0555LX. I chose it because it has a lot of great specs. It seems like a really good value for the money. I got it on sale. It was $5.25. I think it came to $6.14, freight included. I just picked it up today at UPS Freight over in Blaine, Minnesota. Brought it home, and we're going to uncrate it now and see what's involved with that. So if you've been in the market for a bandsaw, this is a freestanding 14-inch bandsaw, 93.5-inch blade. You can go to Grizzly Industrial and check out the specifications on it. But I'm excited about it, and let's get it unpacked and see how it arrived. Make sure it's undamaged, and so if you're on the market for it, you kind of see what to expect when the crates show up. All right, here we go. All right. Yes. It's looking pretty good so far. Alright, so we got the actual upper part of the bandsaw out of the box and the plastic off of it, and it's standing just on its feet before we get it actually mounted on the stand. What's remaining in the box is what appears to be the table, fence, looks like a miter gauge, a bag of parts, some desiccant, and yeah. So there's another box with this. This is the larger of the two. This is about just over 200 pounds, so fairly heavy. Let's dig into the next box. Alright, so in the bottom of the first box I did find the instructions. They're underneath the table in the first box. So here's the table extension. There's the table on its back right there, and actually if you flip that over, it's got the protective coating on that. It's oiled up from the factory to keep that protected. So yeah, there's all the extras in there. Now the smaller box, the lighter weight box, comes with the actual stand itself, and I already opened it up, and this is what we're looking at so far. So a few of the pieces just set into the preformed styrofoam for packing. So there you have it, and there's some hardware in there. So that's what the second crate looks like. So it's all the actual base in the second box, and the saw and everything I just have sitting on its side right there. I had my son help me unload it because it is very heavy. Make sure you have somebody else with you and lift properly so you don't get hurt. But yeah, that's the two crates so far. Alright, so now that all the pieces are out of the box, I've assembled the base using the tools that were provided. It might not hurt to have a set of metric sockets and a socket wrench available to assist during this time. Just read the manual. All the hardware's included, everything that you'll need, and it was very easy to put the base together. I did have some help setting the bandsaw up onto the base and then securing it with the hardware that was included. So please have somebody help you lift it. It is quite heavy and it's awkward to lift. You really don't want to drop it. Next up, I went ahead and I went through the manual, put on the blade, did the adjustments, and that's what I want to show you next is some of the neat adjustments on this thing. Overall, I've been so far very impressed with the quality and the amount of adjustments that are available on this bandsaw for the price point. Been very happy with it so far. I've already made a little bit of sawdust with it, so to speak. So let's take a look at some of those adjustments now. Okay, so once you get the blade installed, and it'll track center fairly well on the tires, you can set the tension for it. It's a 1/4 inch blade that I have on there now. It comes with a 3/8 inch blade in the box. I switched to a 1/4 already, but you can adjust that with this knob right up here, and the tension is on it. And here it is so easy to remove the tension from that blade. Prolong the life of your blade a little bit more, but I can place the tension back on it pretty easily. Places that tension on the blade, and I can come down here and make the adjustments with the bearings. I've been very happy with the adjustments, the style of adjustments. They include the tools to do the adjustments with. Just follow the manual. It's great. It has a lot of illustrations in there. Plenty of adjustments on this thing. Super easy to do. I was able to get this thing tuned up and making some sawdust already. Very happy with it. So again, I chose the Grizzly for the price point and for all the options and all the great reviews that it had. Been very happy with this saw so far. So if you're in the market for a bandsaw and you're looking for something that's very capable, it's a 14-inch bandsaw. Read the specs. Go to Grizzly Industrial. Check them out. The price is great, and I'm very happy with this saw. A lot of adjustments available on it, and looking forward to all the great projects I can make with it. So, alright, make some sawdust and have some fun. Be safe. Thanks for watching.